Hello guys. A lot of people has basically asking me, how does this Royalq work? Does it really trade for us? Does it really make profit for us? Blah 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 like that. So I just want to do a quick one. You could see total earnings so far is what $351. The one I've earned for today is what $4. So let's start from this month, first day of this month, right? Let's not go further than that. So first you could see profit. So from 1st of August till date. Now let's go backwards, right? Let's go backwards to okay. This account is not that old, right? So it's basically started giving profit from 15th of last month. It's not a old account. It's one of the new accounts. You could see profit like that. So if you yet to join Royalq, guys, na dey miss you, chai, na dey miss, really missing. Well, make I go chill, Jerry.